take a look at this channel. It has 74k subscribers. The most popular video has 1.8 million views, uploaded 4 months ago, and the oldest video is 6 months old. And you can see the channel has gained 3.2 plus million views since it was published. Okay, now let's look at another second channel. This channel has 104k subscribers. Most popular video is 2.2 million, uploaded 8 months ago, and you can see the channel is 9 months old and has gained more than almost 4 million views since it was uploaded. Okay, now in this video I'm going to show you how to create viral inspirational finance videos using free AI tools. The first step is to screenshot the channel and head over to ChatGPT and click on import the photo, and you can see this is the photo I imported, and write in this text, suggest video ideas similar to this channel that can get millions of views on YouTube. Okay, suggest viral ideas similar to this channel that can get millions of views. Okay, let me write this, that can get millions of views on YouTube. Okay, let me just say 10. Let me say 10. Okay, I click on send and give ChatGPT some second to analyze the image and suggest for you the topics that you can create videos about. Okay, and you can see these are the 10 and I like all of them, and you can see that they are all about finance, inspirational finance videos. You can see here. So you scroll down looking at the one that will attract you, the one that will catch your eyes, and you choose that one and continue with it. Okay, as for me, I think I like this number 2. Okay, this one, number 2 here, I like it, and it says this: I quit these 7 habits for 30 days. My life changed forever. Now copy this topic, the whole of it, and paste it on the clipboard of your phone, and then paste in this prompt. I will leave this prompt in the description of this video, and the title here, paste in the title you copied. Okay, that is what you are going to do, and click on send. I said this, I'm going to provide the prompt in the description of this video, so look at it so that you can create something that is amazing. Okay, you can see here at the title, you just paste this and delete the extra part like that. Delete the word title and paste in. You can see 7 quiet habits. You can see that is how you can do it well. Okay, click on send and it will give you the script of the video. The text says you should give, or the prompt asks for the script of the video. Okay, now the next step is to create the audio. First of all, copy the script and head over to the next step. Now the next step, head over to Google AI Studio, choose on single audio speaker, and then choose the speaker you want to present your script. Okay, listen to them and choose the one that sounds best, that suits your script. After doing that, you can see I have chosen that. Paste in your script there. After pasting in your script there, you can see the script is fine. Click on learn. You can see here there is a learn. Click on learn. Give it some second. Okay, and now after the audio is ready, click on download and save it on your device. Okay, after that, head over back to ChatGPT and click on new charts. Okay, and then after that, you need to paste in the second prompt. I will provide the second prompt also in the description of this video. That is the second prompt. You can see this is the second prompt. It's very long and it is fine. Okay, after pasting in the second prompt, you will just need to paste in the script under that quote. Paste in your script again and then quote at the end of the script and click on send, and ChatGPT will go ahead and create your image generation prompts. Okay, that is the second prompt is asking for image prompts, 1 per scene. Okay, these are the prompts. There are very many. You can see all these scenes, so you can create a long video, long as you want, okay? But for this video, I'm just going to use at least 6 prompts. 6 of them are enough, okay? Now head over to, on the top there, paste in the first image prompt. Head over to Whisk. We are going to use Whisk to generate our images. Choose the aspect ratio like that. I want landscape, and click on send. Give Whisk some seconds to generate for you the images, okay? As you can see, these are my 2 images. I like the first image. Take a screenshot of these 2 of the first image. I want the screenshot of the first image like that. I want this screenshot of the first image. Scroll down like that and click on screenshot. After screenshotting this, you edit it and crop it on the size you want, okay? Guys, if you are watching this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It will really help me, okay? After cropping it like that, you can see me cropping it here. I want this size. That is the size I want, okay? Click on save and save it on your device, okay? Now the next step, you are going to use this as the subject, okay? Now come here on add images. Click on add images like that. Click on add images, the add image icon here. Add images, and you can see subject. Click on upload. You can see allow everything, and then click on downloads and select the image you want to use as the reference. This is what you should do so that you can have consistent characters, okay? Wait for it to analyze the image, and after that it is fine. It have analyzed the image, okay? Now you can see the image is appearing here below your description, okay? Paste in the first prompt again and click on generate, and wait for Whisk to create for you the image for the first scene, okay? And this is the image for the first scene, okay? I like the second image. Click like that and click on download and save it on the device, okay? Now head over back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, click on copy, and head over back to Whisk, paste it there, and you can see the subject image is still there for the consistency, okay? Click on send and generate the second scene image, and I like the first image for this scene. I like the first image production. Click on that. Click on download and save it on your device, okay? Head over back to ChatGPT, copy the third prompt scene, the scene of the third prompt, like scroll down, okay? The scene of the third prompt like that. Click on copy, head over back to Whisk, okay? I will copy at least 4. Let me copy 4 of them so that I can generate 4 images at once, okay? Now head over back to Whisk here, paste in the first prompt. Click on send. This is what you're going to do, and you repeat this until all the scenes of all the images are created, arranging them from one to the last so that you cannot confuse the scenes, okay? I like the second image, and I click on download. Delete the text, and paste in the text for scene 3. Like that, scene 3, like that, and click on send. Like that. Give it some seconds to generate the image for you. Whisk is free and unlimited, so you can see you're adding subject image for consistency, so this is fine for you, okay guys? Okay, now I like the second image. After that, you delete it again and create the image for scene 5. The image for scene 5, that is the description, and then click on send. Give it some seconds to generate the image for you also, okay? You can see the images here, and I like image. They look almost the same. I like image 2. Okay, let me continue with image 2. Click on download and save it on your device. Delete it again. This is what you are going to continue copying them and deleting. I'm going to show you for 6 scenes. The rest I will do it in the background of this video, okay? So guys, if you are watching this video so far, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now you can see our scene 6 video or photo image is created. I like the second image. I like it very much. You can see the reflection of the character. That is fine. Click on download and head over back to ChatGPT. Our next step is to create the video for the scenes, turning these images into videos. So copy the first prompt, copy the second prompt up to prompt 4, and head over to the next step, which is turning the e-photo into videos. For this step, you're going to use Grok AI, and this tool is free to use. Okay, click on imagine, click on add photo. You can see there is the photo icon there. Okay, no, click on that photo icon, upload, click on photo library, and choose our first image that we want to turn it to a video. So we are going to choose this. This was our first image. Forget about the reference image, the first image. That is the first image there. So you just click on it. You can see it is turning it to video without you giving it the prompt. So you just give it the prompt and set the video to be generated again. And this videos comes out with the audio. So the best thing for this video, mute the audio. Don't download it with the audio. Okay, you can see now it is very fine. I like this clip, how it has been done. So click on download and save it on the gallery of your device. Okay, head over back, click on add photo library again, choose the photo for the second scene, which is that one, and now paste in here the prompt for scene 2. I will say this, the same prompt to generate the image, same prompt to generate the video. Okay, you can see this, it is very fast, it generates very fast. And after that, you click on download, or first of all watch the clip, and if it is fine, you click on download. And the clip is fine, so I'll just click on download and save it on the gallery. First of all, mute the audio. If you download it with the audio, it will give you stress when editing the clip, because you must mute it there. So better you download it without the audio. Okay, choose our next clip or our next photo, paste in the prompt, click on send, give it some seconds to generate the video or to turn it to a video. I like Grok because Grok is free, and some tools will charge you a lot to just do this simple work. Okay, I will mute it and click on download and save it on the gallery of my device. Okay, repeat this up to the last prompt. This is a process. We will be repeating it up to the last prompt. Okay, now let's create scenes 4. For scene 4, I'm going to show you 6 scenes only. The rest I will do them on my own. Okay, I want you to understand. Okay, so if you have watched this video so far, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It will really help me, guys. Okay, I have given you 1 minute to do so. Hope you have done so. Thank you. You can see now this is our clip 4. So you can see it have turned well. Download and save it on the gallery of the device. Now let's create for the scene 5. Choose this photo here, the photo number 5. Okay, first of all, paste this, copy this prompt. You cannot continue without this prompt. After copying in the prompt, head over back to Grok AI like that, and choose the photo, the images. Okay, let me go back. Click on imagine, click on photo library like that. Choose the photo for scene 5 like that. That is the photo for scene 5. Wait for it to come here and type to customize video. Type to customize video, paste in the clip, the image prompt like that, and click on send. Okay, and give it some second to generate the video for you. Okay, I think okay, and the video is here and it is amazing. Okay, let me set it again like that. Now it is generating, and you can see it's generating very fast. Okay, guys, I told you Grok AI is free, unlimited, and it is free at the time of recording this video, and it is very easy to use and navigate. Okay, so this tool I can recommend you. If you don't want to pay anything, use this tool. Okay, now you can see it is fine. Let's create the scene 6 clip. Upload the video, the photo, paste in the prompt and click on send. Give it some seconds to generate the clip for you and upload the clip and save it on your device. That is what you are going to do. So guys, now you are going to head over to the next step, and which is editing. You can see the clip is fine. Download the clip. Now the next step is editing, and under editing you can use InShot, CapCut, but for this video I'm going to use CapCut. Click on create, upload all the 6 scripts. If you have 20, 40, 50, you just upload, import them, arranging them according to the scenes. Okay, and you can see here are my clips. They are fine. The aspect ratio is fine. Now what I need to do, I need to add in the audio. Click on add audio icon there. Click on sound like that. Okay, click on sound like that. After clicking on sound, you can see there's the device icon. Click on the device icon and click on device and choose the audio you want to listen to. Different audio, the one that you have on your phone, if you did not name it, because as for me I did not name it. Okay, but I think it is the one here. Sometimes they give it the name of what you created it with. Yeah, that is the one here. So if it's the one, click on plus and you can see the audio have been uploaded and added to the clip. Listen to it, and if it is fine, listen up to the end and cut the part the audio is extra or the image is extra. Okay, arrange them according to what the audio is saying, and after that you have a smooth. You can also add effects if you want, but as for me, I'm not going to add effects because this is a tutorial. If you want to learn how to edit, you just learn how to edit. Okay, but for this video I'm just going to show you how to add the clips together and the audio together. Now this is my video and it is very fine. I will leave you listening to the clip I created. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.
Even after sleeping, you grab your phone before your feet touch the floor. You already feel behind. Your day hasn't started, but your energy is gone. You tell yourself today will be different, but it looks exactly like yesterday. You sit down to work. You check one thing, then another. Minutes disappear. You feel busy, but nothing meaningful moves forward. By afternoon, you're drained, not from effort, from noise.